Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I will talk about MySQL wildcards. So basically these two symbol called wildcards, and one is percentage and another one is underscore. Select all from the table students. I will say where, let's say student underscore name is equal to, let's say I want to say here student name will actually start with M. Let's say, okay, here you can see we have a Milan, right? M for Milan. So let's execute it, and now you can see there is null, no value. Why? We have all Milan, right, starting with M. So why it's not showing? Because it will actually look for the value containing only M. Okay, so let's say I want to fetch the first letter will be M, and if I find anything M, I need to fetch it. Let's say I want to fetch student name start with M. So how can you do this? That time actually we need wildcard. So how? We just have to say here like, and we just need to remove this, okay, like, and then I will say that it will start with M, but after that it can have multiple character, no problem. So when we use this percentage sign after any character, it means the character will start with the character, and after that it can contain any character. Okay, so now let's execute it, and here you can see all the Milan. Okay, so we are getting the value which is containing Milan, right? And here you can see we have a Tanvir R. Okay, so let's say I want to fetch all the data where student name, and here I'm going to give percentage sign at the very beginning, and here I'm going to say R. Now what it will do, it will actually take any character before this character. Okay, R, it can have multiple character, no problem, but the character will end with R. So if I execute it, you can see only Tanvir will show. Okay, so this is how you can actually use percentage. And now let's say I want to remove it once again. You can see that we have A, right? So I'm going to now show you another wildcard, and that is underscore. So let's say I have given here underscore, and then I have right here A. It means here will be a first character, and the second character will be A. So it will actually show me the second character which is containing A. So I think it will show Tanvir, Yamin and Wasi, right? Let's execute it, and here you can see nothing. So why? Because we have to use here a percentage. So percentage sign actually define that, okay, this is the first character, so first character is nothing, okay, and the second character should be A, and rest of them can be any character. Okay, so let's say now execute, and now you can see Tanvir, Yamin, was. Okay, and let's say I want to say here double character. Okay, double here you can see underscore, first underscore and the second one. So what will happen? Let's execute it, and here you can see nothing, because the third character containing A, and you can see that if I remove it, okay, there is no student name which is actually containing A in the third character. Here you can see the Milan has L in the third character, okay, and Tanvir has N, Yamin has M, Wasi has S. So I hope you understand. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.